Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I'm gonna take you for a quick tour of our second home here in the south. A condo unit here in Muntinlupa. First stop, check out our Japanese garden. It's bursting with lush green and serene vibes. And just over there, we have the pool. And the clubhouse is perfect for relaxation mode. But wait, there's more. In the pool, we have a gazebos and sunbathing chairs where you can chill after you swim. So that's it. That ends up our quick home tour. Stay tuned on our next vlog where I'll show you even more of this amazing place. Don't forget to like and subscribe.